guys, so I'm back. I'm just showing you how I do my hair with a curling iron and a blow dryer and all of that good stuff. I gotta make this quick. My little sister, who's right there, is getting really antsy. We are taking her somewhere for a treat. She's staying with us for the weekend. Sorry for the other noise. My other sister is in here. She probably won't want to jump on camera though. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in and get started. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy. What do you think? Does my hair look nice? Yeah. Sure. Do you want to show your hair? Someone's got some braids in her hair. Let's see. They're holding up pretty good, huh? You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, I'm Riley.
Hi, I'm Riley.
You're going to be on YouTube.
How old are you?
7.
7. Wow. All right, guys, so we're going to go get her in the car and take her to her treat. Where do you think you're going?
To Toys R Us.
Who told you that? You're so crazy.
I just guessed
So we're going to go to Toys R Us with this nice curled hair. So yeah, just keep on watching and we will go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I am just gonna show you guys how I do my hair. It's naturally curly, but I don't want the curl in it today. And just because I'll be working a lot this week, I kind of just want it to be easy. And let's just go ahead and get started. I always use a heat protectant. I use this Keratin Complex Infusion Therapy thermo-shine, and it looks like that. It works really well. It makes my hair nice and silky, soft, and smooth. And it helps with like the frizz and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair. Use these nice little clips. I'm gonna clip it up. So I've washed my hair. I washed it about an hour ago. So it's a little damp. It's not wet anymore. I did my makeup and my little sister's here, so I've been checking on her. She's out in the living room playing with the dogs, watching a movie. Hopefully that's what she's doing. She's 7, so she might just be going and stuff, but that's okay. So now that's all in there, my hair's brushed. I'm going to take, and I'm no pro at this. This is just what works for me. Obviously, like, I didn't go to school for hair or anything like that. I'm kind of just watching what my hairstylist does, and she blows my hair out and she does it so well, and I will never be able to do it as good as her. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take a section that looks like this, and I take a rolling brush. I'm just gonna roll it in my hair, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it. And it's nice and straight, as you can see the difference. Prefer it this side. Not that I don't like my natural curls, it's just not the vibe I'm going for. So as I'm going in, I'm gonna be twirling the hair in the brush too, just so I can get all parts of it, all of the wet parts, so I can get all of it dry. You're not going to be a pro at it at first. I'm not a pro. Makeup's more my expertise, not hair. And this is a process. I'm not worried about like it getting completely smoothed out, because you'll see what I'll do once I'm finished with all of this. So we're just gonna go ahead and just speed this on up. Okay. So now that that's done, my hair's pretty smooth. I'm just gonna brush through it one more time. It doesn't take me that long. I'm not doing it perfect. And then like I said, I'm not a hairstylist. This isn't the right way. It's just my way. It's the way that I can do my hair at home. Sorry, I got it. It's the way that I can do my hair at home, and it's manageable. It's easier for me to do what I want with it. I prefer my hair this way. I don't really like it curly. I do, but I don't. It's a hard battle. Those natural curly girls out there, you know what I'm talking about. You know, girls with straight hair always want curly hair, and girls with curly hair, girls with curly hair always want straight. We always want what we can't have. But this is my way to where I can kind of have my cake and eat it too, you know what I'm saying? So now, because the top isn't the straightest that I would like it, my hair started to get a little bit dry towards the end. So what I do is at the top, I'll just take my straightener and I will only straighten about this far. I just want my roots kind of smoothed out, and then I'll drop it. And the reason why I do that is because I used to, when I would wear my hair straight and then like try to recurl it with a curling iron or a wand or something, it doesn't leave the curl in. I don't know why, but doing it this way, my curl will hold the curls that I want. It'll kind of hold a little bit better, and I don't have to use like a whole lot of product to keep it in place. So that's why I'm doing that. I'm only doing it at the top because I'm not going to bring the curling iron all the way to the top. Now underneath, I don't really care if there's a crinkle or two because you're really not going to see it. And if you do, I mean, I don't care. I'm not going anywhere special. I'm not going out. I'm just trying to get my hair taken care of to save me some time in the morning. Like my bangs and stuff, and then my sideburns I didn't smooth out at all because they're just so tiny. It's hard to get like right there by my ear. So I'll take the straightener and bring that all the way down. Usually. But yeah, I'm just gonna smooth the tops now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm done with the flat iron for now. What I'm going to do is take my curling iron. I'm actually going to section my hair off. It's getting a little thick. Just going to section it off. Take maybe about an inch and a half. A little less than that. And what I'm going to do is take my curling iron. So with the texture of my hair, I don't like using the clamp to go with it like that. I feel like it pulls too much and it damages it too much. So I don't do that. And I don't really like using curling ones, the ones that I have used. I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't give me what I want, but I like this curling iron. I like the barrel. And I'm just gonna kind of curl it around. I don't really keep the ends in, I don't keep the ends out. Doesn't really matter too much to me. Hold it for a few seconds and you'll get that nice pretty little curl. Isn't that nice? So much better than what I had going on in the beginning. So I'm just gonna do that all around my head. I don't really like go one way, or I don't really have like a real way that I do it. I kind of just go around and curl it how I see fit, just how I like it. So just do whatever you want to do, and I will be right back. bangs because I do have some regrowth coming in. I've lost, a couple years ago I lost some of my hair, so it's starting to get a little bit thicker, and I have all of the ones on top, like those baby hairs. Some of it's breakage, some of it is from it just like starting to finally grow, thank the Lord, because last year I had to cut all of my hair off right here. I'm not even kidding. It was like right to my chin, so, and that was it straightened right at my chin. So it's grown quite a bit, which I'm pretty excited about, but I only really do the end parts, like the last few inches. I don't know if that's like maybe last 3 inches or so, and I just curl it away from my hair, and I only hold it on for a few seconds. That's really, it kind of gives that like a nice little wave, and I normally tuck my hair behind my ears anyways, so don't really focus too much on it. My main concern is that it's just nice and smooth. There aren't any crinkles or anything like that. So now, since it's all nice and curled, I'm just gonna go in and clean up my part just a little. And so that's it done. Let me just make sure. Nothing too crazy, just some waves. And now's your chance to kind of go back in. Some of my curl has fallen out, which it happens because I did straighten it out with the blow dryer and the brush, so it'll kind of just fall flat a little bit. And I haven't put any hairspray in, or sometimes I do like a texturizing pomade. I'm not worried about it today to put in a lot of product, just because it's already 4:06, and my older sister will be getting off of work and getting to my house here soon, and we're just gonna be taking Riley out to like go shopping and get some food and stuff like that. So like I have nobody to impress. Fiance is away at work, so I don't have to get too dolled up for him. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go back and see what I feel like I need to touch up. But usually, since I'm not worried about it, I won't. But I just kind of run my fingers through my hair a little bit, and you can kind of see it's already losing the curl a little, which is fine. Tomorrow it will let me curl it a little bit better if I choose to. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of hairspray in. Just to kind of keep the flyaways tamed. And I live in Florida, so my hair is naturally curly, so it always, like the first sign of moisture in the air, it's gonna like reach for it, and it likes to frizz, and it gets really nice and big. So thanks Mom and Dad for that. Great hair. Yep. But that's my hair, and I'm just gonna kind of run my fingers through it, break up the hairspray just a little. I don't have like an aerosol right now, I just have the little, excuse me, the little pumps. But that's my hair, and this is what it looks like in the back. I hope you can see that. I hope it looks good. Nice and pretty. So now I feel like a new woman. But yeah, that's how I do my hair with it being naturally curly. That's what I do to make it look like it's naturally straight, kinda. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
No, to my channel.
To
To your big sister's channel.
To your big sister.
No, you. Okay, we're gonna go. Say bye.
Bye.